Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to the Happy Elder, your cozy YouTube corner for living healthy, joyful, and vibrant after 60. I'm so thrilled you're here. Maybe sipping your morning coffee, relaxing in your favorite armchair, or getting ready for the day. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome. We're all about aging with grace, wisdom, and a huge smile. So hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community. It's like a warm hug for your golden years. Today, we're tackling a topic that is close to home for so many of us. Why you wake up tired every day and how to fix it. Waking up feeling groggy, even after a full night's sleep, can make you feel like you're dragging through the day. I've been there and I know it's frustrating. But don't worry. I've learned from sleep experts, doctors, and folks just like you, and I'm excited to share 7 common reasons you're waking up tired, plus practical fixes to help you wake up refreshed and ready to shine. After 60, your energy is precious, and good sleep can transform how you feel. Before we dive in, let me ask, what's one thing you notice when you wake up? Do you feel rested or like you need a nap already? Drop in the comments and let's connect. If this video helps you wake up energized, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss a tip for thriving in your golden years. All right, let's get started. Why waking up tired matters after 60. Waking up tired isn't just a nuisance. It's a sign your body needs attention. After 60, quality sleep is crucial for repairing cells, clearing brain toxins, and keeping your heart and mind strong. The Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine says poor sleep increases risks of heart disease, diabetes, and dementia by 20% in seniors. Feeling tired all day can zap your energy for hobbies, family time, or even simple tasks for the National Sleep Foundation. But the good news? Fixing the root causes can help you wake up full of life. My friend Susan, who's 66 and loves her gardening, told me, I used to wake up exhausted, even after 8 hours. Changing a few habits gave me energy to dig in my garden all morning. Susan's story shows that small tweaks can make a big difference. So, let's explore 7 reasons you're waking up tired after 60 and how to fix them. Here's reason number 1. Reason number 1, too much screen time before bed. First, using screens like phones, tablets, or TVs before bed is a major energy thief. Why it makes you tired. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep, per the Journal of Sleep Research. This disrupts deep sleep, leaving you groggy, says the American Heart Association. After 60, your eyes are more sensitive to blue light, making it harder to recover. How to fix it? Stop screens an hour before bed. Read a book, listen to soft music, or do gentle stretches instead. Use night mode or blue light blocking glasses. If you must use devices, keep your bedroom screen-free and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Western vibe. In the U.S., reading a cozy mystery from Barnes & Noble is a popular bedtime ritual. In the U.K., listening to BBC Radio 4 or classical music is a soothing choice common in many homes. My story, I used to scroll on my phone before bed, and I'd wake up feeling like I hadn't slept. Switching to a paperback helped me drift off easily, and now I wake up refreshed. It's like magic. Real-life inspiration. My neighbor Linda, 64, watched TV late and felt sluggish. She started reading novels instead, sleeps soundly, and says, I'm ready for my morning walks now. Linda even joined a book club, turning bedtime into a joy. Your move. Skip screens an hour before bed tonight and read for 10 minutes. Check our Senior Sleep Tips playlist for bedtime ideas. Tip: charge your phone outside the bedroom. Dim lights to signal sleep. Talk to a doctor if sleep issues persist. Why it matters. Ditching screens improves deep sleep, so you wake up energized and ready for the day. Reason number 2, eating late or heavy meals. Next, eating heavy meals or snacks close to bedtime can leave you tired in the morning. Why it makes you tired. Late night eating, especially rich or sugary foods, causes indigestion and acid reflux, more common after 60, per the Journal of Geriatric Gastroenterology. This disrupts sleep, leaving you fatigued, says the American Diabetes Association. It also spikes blood sugar, draining energy. How to fix it? Finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Dinner by 6 p.m. if you sleep at 9. Choose light dinners like grilled fish with veggies or oatmeal. For snacks, try banana or almonds, which promote sleep. Drink water, not soda. Western vibe. In the U.S., a salmon salad from Whole Foods is a light dinner choice. In the UK, veggie soup or porridge from Tesco is a bedtime-friendly staple. My story, I love late-night ice cream, but it gave me heartburn and left me tired. Early dinners with veggies help me sleep well, and I wake up full of energy. Real-life inspiration. My friend Paul, 68, ate chips late and woke up groggy. He switched to early salads, sleeps better, and says, light meals give me morning pep. Paul now enjoys gardening without yawning. Your move. Eat dinner 2 hours before bed, like a small salad. Check our Healthy Aging Journey playlist for meal ideas. Tip. Avoid spicy foods at night. If diabetic, check blood sugar with your doctor. Keep water by your bed. Why it matters. Early. Light meals boost sleep quality, helping you wake up refreshed. Reason number 3. Drinking caffeine or alcohol late. Drinking caffeine or alcohol in the evening is another reason you're waking up tired. Why it makes you tired. Caffeine in coffee, tea, or soda keeps you awake, per the Journal of Sleep Medicine. Alcohol disrupts deep sleep, leaving you unrest, says the National Institute on Aging. After 60, your body processes these slower, worsening fatigue. How to fix it? Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Try herbal tea like chamomile or decaf. Limit alcohol to 1 drink early with food. Drink water or milk before bed to hydrate. Western vibe. In the U.S., chamomile tea from Target is a bedtime favorite. In the UK, warm milk or herbal tea from Sainsbury's is a cozy ritual. My story, evening coffee kept me tossing. Chamomile tea after lunch helped me sleep deeply, and I wake up ready to go. Real-life inspiration. My friend Ellen, 62, had wine late and felt drained. She cut alcohol after 6 p.m. and drinks tea. Her energy's up, and she says, I'm sharp for my grandkids. Ellen enjoys tea with her knitting group. Your move. Skip caffeine after 2 p.m. and try herbal tea tonight. Check our longevity lifestyle playlist for drink ideas. Tip. Check med for caffeine. Sip alcohol with dinner. Hydrate to sleep better. Why it matters. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol improves sleep, so you wake up vibrant. Reason number 4. Sleeping in a poor environment. Sleeping in a noisy, bright, or uncomfortable bedroom can make you wake up tired. Why it makes you tired. Noise, light, or a bad mattress disrupt sleep, reducing its restorative power. Per the Journal of Environmental Health. Poor sleep causes fatigue and raises heart disease risk, says the National Sleep Foundation. How to fix it? Keep your bedroom cool, 65 degrees Fahrenheit, dark and quiet. Use blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or earplugs. Get a comfortable mattress and pillow. Declutter for calm. Western vibe. In the U.S., blackout curtains from Walmart create a cozy bedroom. In the UK, a white noise machine from Argos is a sleep saver. My story, my bright bedroom left me exhausted. Curtains and a noise machine gave me 8 hours of sleep. I'm full of energy now. Real-life inspiration. My friend Clara, 65, had a lumpy mattress. A new one and earplugs improved her sleep, and she says, I wake up ready to paint. Clara's art classes are thriving. Your move. Dim lights or try earplugs tonight. Check our Senior Sleep Tips playlist for bedroom tips. Tip. Replace a mattress over 10 years old. Keep pets out if they wake you. Check for sleep apnea, if snoring. Why it matters. A good sleep environment boosts rest, so you wake up refreshed. Hey, friends. Thanks for being part of our The Happy Elder family. You make this channel shine. If these tips are helping you rethink your sleep, hit that like button. It helps others find us. Share with a friend, and subscribe with the bell for senior sleep tips and gratitude after 60. Your support means everything. Let's move to reason 5. Reason number 5. Unmanaged stress before bed. Unmanaged stress before bed, worrying or overthinking, can leave you tired. Why it makes you tired. Stress raises cortisol, disrupting sleep and causing fatigue, per the Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry. Poor sleep harms memory, says the Alzheimer's Association. How to fix it? Try a calming routine, 5 minutes of deep breathing or journaling. List 3 things you're thankful for. Talk to a therapist if stress lingers. Western vibe. In the U.S., gratitude journal from Amazon calm the mind. In the UK, BBC relaxation podcasts are popular. My story, worrying kept me awake. Journaling and breathing calm me. And I wake up rested now. Real life inspiration. My friend John, 67, stressed about his kids. Meditating before bed helped him sleep, and he says, calm nights make my days bright. John leads a church mindfulness group. Your move. Try deep breathing for 5 minutes tonight. Check our gratitude after 60 playlist. Tip, write worries down. Avoid stressful talks at night. See a doctor if stressed. Why it matters. Managing stress improves sleep, so you wake up energized. Reason number 6, inconsistent sleep schedule. An inconsistent sleep schedule, different bedtimes and wake-ups, can make you tired. Why it makes you tired. Irregular sleep disrupts your body's clock, reducing sleep quality. For the Journal of Sleep Research, this causes fatigue and raises diabetes risk, says the National Institute on Aging. How to fix it. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily, even weekends. Set a bedtime alarm. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Western vibe. In the U.S., smartwatch reminders keep schedules steady. In the U.K., bedside clocks help. My story, random bedtimes left me foggy. A 10 p.m. bedtime gives me 8 hours, and I'm sharp. Real life inspiration. My friend Tom, 63, had erratic sleep. A consistent schedule boosted his energy, and he says, routine's my key. Tom plays golf with focus now. Your move. Set a 10 p.m. bedtime tonight. Check our senior sleep tips playlist. Tip, stick to your schedule on holidays. Nap early, under 30 minutes. Why it matters. A regular schedule improves sleep, so you wake up refreshed. Reason number 7, ignoring sleep apnea symptoms. Ignoring sleep apnea symptoms, like loud snoring or gasping, can leave you exhausted. Why it makes you tired. Sleep apnea stops breathing, reducing oxygen and causing fatigue. Per the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, it raises heart disease risk by 30%, says the Alzheimer's Association. How to fix it. If you snore or gasp, see a doctor for a sleep study. Use a CPAP machine if diagnosed. Sleep on your side to reduce symptoms. Western vibe. In the U.S., sleep clinics are common. In the U.K., NHS sleep studies are accessible. My story, I ignored snoring and felt drained. A CPAP machine gave me deep sleep, and I'm energized. Real life inspiration. My friend Anna, 69, gasped at night. A CPAP fixed her sleep, and she says, I wake up alive. Anna hikes with her grandkids now. Your move. Talk to your doctor if you snore loudly. Check our senior sleep tips playlist. Tip, record your sleep to check snoring. Avoid alcohol to reduce apnea. Why it matters. Treating apnea boosts energy and heart health, so you wake up vibrant. Wrap up. These 7 reasons, screens, late eating, caffeine, poor environment, stress, irregular schedules, and apnea, explain why you wake up tired after 60. Fix them with simple changes. Skip screens, eat early, set a bedtime, and check for apnea. Start with 1 tonight, like reading a book, and wake up refreshed. You're meant to thrive in your golden years, and great sleep is the key. That's it, friends. I hope these 7 reasons and fixes inspire you to wake up energized and ready to shine. Which one will you try? Skipping screens or setting a bedtime? Share in the comments. I love your stories, and they light up our Happy Elder community. Check the links below for more healthy aging journey and senior sleep tips. Give us a thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe with the bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for being part of this amazing family and choosing to age with grace. Keep shining, and I'll see you next time. Sweet dreams.